Today we are going to discuss a very simple and important sorting algorithm, bubble sort. The main technique we use in this algorithm is to swap the adjacent elements. Let's first understand how it works. First we take an example of an array. Let's suppose we have array of size 4, 1, 5, 6 and 3. What we do in this bubble sort is we try to swap the adjacent element if they are not in a correct order. Like here we can see that 1 and 5 they are in correct order, like 1 is less than 5, so we will not sort it. We will check this, is 5 less than 6? Yes it is, so we will not gonna swap. But here we can see that 6 and 3 are not in correct order. So what we're gonna do is we will be swapping them. So our array will become 1, 5, 3 and 6. One important thing to observe is in the very first iteration of this swapping, we found that the maximum element is at the very last index, is at the very last. So what we're gonna do next in our next iteration, we will be starting from our 0th index and will go to n minus 1 just before where we have stopped. Like first we went to the end of the index, but now we are going only to an index before the end. Again we will gonna check like 1 and 5 is they are in correct order. Yes, so we will not gonna swap them. But here we find that 5 and 3 are not in correct order, so we will be swapping them. So our array would become 1, 3, 5 and 6. We found that our second largest element is here. So we will be running another loop from 0th index to 1 only, because the rest part of the array is sorted. Though it's already sorted, but the algorithm demands us to run n minus 1 loops. Like for there is 4 elements, we will be running loop of the swapping check n minus 1 time, which is 3 times. First time we have done this, second time we have done this, third time we are going to check. Like 1 and 3 are in correct order, so we will not gonna swap. So lastly we will be having our array sorted. So to coming up for the code part, what we're gonna do is we will be starting from I is equals to 0, and as I have said earlier, when the uh, how many times we gonna loop this, we will gonna loop n minus 1 times only, because when we are left with only one element it will be already sorted. I is less than n minus 1 times I plus plus. There will be another loop for int j is equals to what? J will be starting from 0, but will gonna end at what index? J will stop J will stop from n minus I minus 1. That is, for the first it will go till the end, fit till n minus 1 till n minus 2. In this way we will be having this loop. So now if our array at the index j is found to be greater than our array in element at the j plus 1, then we will gonna swap them. In this way what we're gonna find is our array is completely sorted. So this was bubble sort algorithm. Thank you.